really, it's important to test the application of unmanned aerial systems for civil and commercial applications to really learn what's possible. What we try to do in these application Pathfinder activities and integrations for commercial application is we say, well, if we know what the application is, what sensor would require that? So with multispectral, infrared, visual spectrum, is it still frame mapping, is it video, or any other combination? And then we say, what kind of aircraft do you need to be able to carry that sensor and accomplish the requirements of that application? And that informs what you really go out and test. And so we'll fly the same bridge with various sensors, with various aircraft types, various mission planning software, and we learn something from it. And so you say, well, there's a new panoramic camera that's out that looks interesting, it's $400. Let's put it on top of the quadcopter, fly it under the bridge and see what we can see. And the answer to that may be, well, we can see more than we thought, or the resolution is not quite as good as we were hoping for and it's not really useful. You really have multiple stakeholders involved, right? So there's the aircraft manufacturers, the sensor manufacturers. They want information about whether their products are meeting the needs of what industry has. You of course have the industry operators, so whatever the site is that you're inspecting, they have a use, of course. You have students, right? So the students get to be part of this. They get to go out and participate in the research, but it's also developing jobs. As industry sees the benefit of using UAS and they say, well, I can save money by hiring someone to come out and do this, you're now creating a job that didn't exist before, and it's created because it's creating efficiencies in the marketplace and it's adding value.
And if you want to go out there into the workforce and get a job flying UAS, you better have some time beyond on the UAS flying the aircraft. So Sinclair is a great place. They have great pilots, they have great instructors. They have simulators. You can learn how to fly on their simulators. You can get some hands-on experience. You can go out to Wilmington Airport. You can go out to Springfield Airport. Get your hands on the flight controls and learn how to fly them. Sinclair is one of the best places in the country to go do that. Using UAS technology is a great tool of assessing conditions of roadways. Another use is for bridge inspection. Bridges are constantly deteriorating, are always in a state of deterioration at some level. So using UAS as a tool will make it safer. Motorists want to know that they're driving on safe roads. Taxpayers want to know that their dollars are being stretched, and we believe this new technology of UAS will help do both.
So, as a community college, we're interested in, of course, serving our local community and the state of Ohio and really the country. And so if by virtue of going out and doing these applied commercialization research projects, we're helping that whole group of stakeholders, that's great.